Oracle Cloud Cost Accounting. Hi, my name is Linus, and in today's video you will learn how Oracle Cloud is structured in terms of cost accounting. So let's get right into it. Before we can get into the organizational structure, we have to understand three important definitions in Oracle Cloud ERP. First one is a cost organization. So what is a cost organization? A cost organization is used to establish cost accounting policies and is used for costing inventory transactions using different costing methods. And in Oracle Cloud, one cost organization can stand for one or multiple inventory organizations. Second definition is the cost book. So what is a cost book in Oracle Cloud ERP? A cost book in Oracle Cloud sets a framework within which accounting policies for items can be defined. Every company will have at least one primary cost book that is linked to the general ledger. You could, though, in Oracle Cloud have multiple cost books, for example, for analysis purposes or for planning purposes. These cost books may even use different costing methods and will not go into the primary ledger. We will only have one cost book that goes directly into the ledger. Everything else is for planning, analysis, and so on. And the third definition is the profit center business unit. So what is a profit center business unit in Oracle Cloud ERP? Well, if you're not completely new to Oracle Cloud, you will probably have heard of a business unit before. But what is the difference having a profit center? Well, the profit center business unit is a part of a company that we treat as a separate business. Our organization calculates the profits and losses for this profit center separately from other parts of the organization. And a profit center business unit represents a portion of a legal entity that's tracked for profitability, revenue, and costs. But realize it's a legal entity, so it's only one. And that is the big difference, because usually operational business units in Oracle Cloud ERP could potentially serve a multitude of legal entities. Profit center business units cannot. They can only be assigned or exist under one legal entity. With that being said, how does the costing organizational structure in Oracle Cloud look? Well, on the top we have the legal entity, of course. Under the legal entity, we can have multiple profit center business units. As we said before, these are parts of the legal entity. Under these profit center business units, we have the cost organizations. Usually you will find that you have one cost organization to one profit center business units, but depending on the business needs, you may decide to do otherwise and have multiple cost organizations. Under each cost organizations, you can have multiple inventory organizations or only one. But what is important that these inventory organizations can only report to one cost org. This cost org can only report to one profit center business unit, and this profit center business unit can only report to one legal entity. So now that you know that you can have multiple inventory organizations under one cost organization, you're probably asking yourself, well, how do the system know then how to price the different items? And that is what we're going to cover in the next video, so make sure to watch the full course completely for free on Panameer.com. And if you need my personalized help, then feel free to reach out to me directly using the link below.